Good morning. It is Wednesday, oh gosh, is it the 22nd of April? Forgive me, I have lost my days. So this morning we are on 250 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you very much. Yeah, I've got a big fat smile on my face. I'm really excited, and for me it's like the beginning of my YouTube journey, so I'm grateful to everybody so far. I'm really enjoying it, so let's get on with picking a winner. So I've got the random thingamajiggy up, what is it called? I don't know, a random comment picker. I've put the URL in the box here, filtered out duplicate users, and the amount of unique commenters is 19. So I think we go down a little bit to start the raffle. So good luck all. Thank you very much for joining. I will get back next week and do the question videos, and also there was a couple of tutorial requests. Sorry if I'm shaking all over. So yeah, they'll be up and coming next week. So without further ado, good luck. Oh my gosh, oh, this is so exciting. Rosie Speranza. Oh, it's Rosie. Oh, how lovely. So well done, Rosie. So Rosie says, hi Tanya, I love all your creations. You and Crafty Cat are my favourites. Oh, that's so sweet. Wondering if you've done a stamp creation video. Would love to see your method. Thanks for keeping me sane during this lockdown. Oh, that's so lovely, Rosie. And yes, I will be doing you a video on how I do stamps. So well done, Rosie. If you contact me through, you best contact me really through Etsy, and send me your address and stuff, and I will get that sent to you on the 1st of, what are we now? May. That's the next time I'm going out posting. So yeah, lovely. Oh, I'm really happy. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks all for joining. There will be a brand new giveaway starting tomorrow with my friend Junie from Willowbound Journals, and there will be 2 magnificent prizes, so keep your eyes out for that. Thank you very much. Bye guys.